The 2026 Toyota Corolla arrives with a renewed focus on style and attitude, evolving from a traditionally conservative compact into a sleek and modern daily driver. Its exterior adopts sharper lines and a more athletic stance, featuring slimmer LED headlights, a wider grille, and aerodynamic contours that give it a more premium road presence. Subtle chrome and piano black accents enhance its visual appeal, allowing the Corolla to stand confidently among more expensive rivals. Inside, the cabin showcases Toyota's latest design philosophy of practicality blended with comfort. Soft touch materials cover the dashboard and door panels, while optional two-tone upholstery and ambient lighting elevate the mood. A floating infotainment display sits at the center with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto included across all trims. The layout remains driver-oriented with intuitive controls and clear visibility. Space is efficiently managed to provide generous headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, making long drives more enjoyable than expected from a compact sedan. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla offers a combination of fuel efficiency and responsiveness. Drivers can choose between a refined gasoline engine or Toyota's latest generation hybrid system. The hybrid variant delivers exceptional mileage while maintaining smooth and quiet acceleration, perfect for urban and highway travel alike. Steering remains light yet confident, and the suspension balance ensures comfort over rough surfaces while still maintaining stability during cornering. Toyota continues its leadership in safety by equipping the 2026 Corolla with the newest Toyota Safety Sense system. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian and cyclist detection, and blind spot monitoring on higher trims. The body structure has been reinforced for better impact absorption, and additional airbags provide all-around protection for occupants. In the market, the 2026 Corolla remains one of the strongest contenders in the compact car segment. Its unbeatable reputation for reliability, low ownership cost, and strong resale value gives it a significant advantage over many competitors. While some rivals may offer more power or luxury features, few can match the Corolla's long-term durability and trust factor among global buyers. The 2026 Toyota Corolla proves that practicality does not have to be boring. It is smart, efficient, comfortable, and built to outlast trends. For drivers seeking a dependable companion that delivers peace of mind every single day, the Corolla remains a timeless choice.